Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. I plan to make my very last Christmas centerpiece. I am planning to make a little box centerpiece. All of the items are coming from Dollar Tree. Before we get any further, I just want to encourage you to subscribe to my channel for a variety of DIY projects. Now, these are the things that you're gonna need. So, I know supplies might be running a little low at the Dollar Tree, but if you can get a hold to this, or even for next year, these box pictures. So I am gonna use this to create a box. So I have 4 of these. Also, you're gonna need some florals. So I have these poinsettias, and on purpose, I tried to get the ones that had the pines and the acorns on it to coordinate with the picture that's here on this box. For your box, you're gonna need some foam board. I have a little piece here that I'm gonna use for the bottom of my box. You're gonna need some floral foam, some ribbon, and I made sure I got some glitter ribbon to coordinate with my picture on here. I have some of these bowls from the Dollar Tree that I never use, so I might use this. And again, as before, some of these items may be added, some of these items may be deleted, depending on how it looks. Then I have like a Christmas tree that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna use these branches just in case I need to fill in my arrangement a little bit more. Also, I plan to use some ornaments in it. I have these bamboo sticks to help me insert my ornaments, and a hot glue gun. You're gonna need scissors, a wire cutter, and a box cutter. So these are the things that you're gonna need, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. this is the finished product right here. For the ornaments, I just hot glued them to whatever was around them. I did not use the sticks. I tried to use the sticks and the stick began to like crack the ornament. So I just kind of freestyled it. Just hot glued it to the surrounding little pine pieces or to the poinsettia flowers. What else can I tell you about this centerpiece? I did the arrangement off camera because I wasn't sure how it was gonna turn out. I was kind of experimenting with it, but I feel like it came out beautiful. Please let me know in the comments below what you think of this centerpiece. And please feel free to share this video. And if you have not had the chance to subscribe to my channel, please do so now. I thank you so much for joining me. Please watch my other Christmas centerpiece videos. And until I see you next time, Merry Christmas.